Hey guys, what's up? It's Claire Lindsay back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I've been seeing these videos trending all over the internet, and you know what, I thought they were a really cute and a really good idea, and you know, why not? Because I like food. Disclaimer, I am not vegan. I try to eat as vegetarian as possible, but I would probably more classify myself as a pescatarian. But I do eat fish and seafood, but I do have a lot of allergies, so I don't eat dairy, or like if I do, I just have a little bit. So this is just a pescatarian what I eat in a day. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know what tell me what food you liked best and what food out of this video you would eat. I'm always looking for more awesome pescatarian recipes. Let me know if you have any ideas like that. I am super excited to film this, so let's go have breakfast. I start the day trying to drink as much water as possible. I find it super helpful to put water in a container with a straw, because if it doesn't have a straw in it and I have to like screw the cap off, I'm less likely to drink all of my water that day. So I actually already had breakfast. All I had were scrambled eggs and a piece of toast. We didn't have any avocados, so I put like the spicy guac on it that we get at Costco, and it helps me drink more of my water too when I eat something spicy with breakfast. It's actually like noon right now, so we're gonna go have some lunch. I am making a smoothie bowl for lunch today, and smoothie bowls are just beautiful. I actually make these all the time at work, but I'm not gonna do one of the ones that I make at work. I'm gonna do like my own thing, my own recipe. The first thing I wanna do is get my bowl out and put it in the freezer for a little bit. It's actually already pretty cold, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge. If you don't do that, then the cold smoothie bowl will hit the bowl and then like start melting instantly. I want the bowl to be pink because I'm extra. Frozen strawberries and frozen mangoes. So my milk here that I'm gonna use. I think these I'm just gonna put on top. I have cranberries and some sunflower seeds here. I'm only gonna use half a banana because this is just like one bowl. I want to make sure not to add too much liquid or it's gonna get really watery. If anyone knows like where to get dragon fruit, like in Michigan, please let me know because I want to try it. I've never tried it. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my goodness. So it's a little while later and I have to run some errands in a little bit. Realized I didn't really have any like good source of protein today aside from the egg that I had in the morning, so I wanted to have some hummus. Honestly, is there protein in hummus? Is there protein in hummus?
Answer 0.98 grams.
I'm having some pretzels and hummus. I have that, and then I am editing a video right now and some photos that I took. And then I'll be running some errands. I have to sell some stuff at Plato's Closet, and then I also sold some clothes online, so I have to ship them. You came so close to my car, sir. Decided to go like right around like 5 p.m., which was really stupid. There was so much traffic that I like could not get to where I was trying to get to. Figure out how to get where I need to go to do the things I need to do. You know what's great? Air conditioning. Oh, that's why I got my camera out. I don't know if this even like counts, but I am chewing gum right now, so I guess that's like technically what I eat. Like, I don't know, I'm not eating it, but like this is a what I eat in a day video, so like I'm just trying to be thorough for you guys, okay? Kind of craving like tacos or something, but I don't know if I have like tortillas at home. I had some meatless chicken nuggets with mac and cheese, and then I had some iced tea with dinner as well. That is it for my what I eat in a day video. I know it wasn't totally dairy free, but I am not vegan or like dairy free technically. I just am allergic to dairy, so sometimes I eat it and I'll just take, I have these lactose pills that I can take and it makes me able to eat dairy. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. It was super realistic, so I just ate what I actually would eat in a day. So that's why I got kind of lazy around dinner, is I just got super hungry because I've been out doing errands all day and then I just wanted to eat something and didn't know we didn't have a lot at home, so. 너가 있었으면 내 옆에 항상 말야 작은 이빨이 오목조목한 얘기를 만들어 입술에 결 따라 흐르네.